y'all, it is a beautiful day here in Branson, Missouri, and today we're gonna make something super easy for lunch. I've never made this before, but it looked very tasty. So we're gonna make a tasty tuna tostado for lunch. So let's give it a try. First thing I'm gonna do is chop up an onion. This is a Vidalia onion. Larry got me this bag of onions. Let me show you. My friend Larry, he bought this bag of Vidalia onions from the Masons. So if you see them out selling the onions, go help the Masons out. We always try to support them. They used to sell these in humongous 50-pound bags. And if you bought some, you had to try to give them away to everybody. And now they're in these little nice, I think this is probably a 20-pound bag, I think, but perfect size. So thank you, Larry, for the Vidalia onions. That's plenty, so I think half an onion will be just fine. I'm gonna de-seed my jalapeno because I don't like things too hot. I'm only gonna use half of my jalapeno. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. Just gonna give it a little bit of a bite. You use the whole thing if you want to. If you want to use a regular tomato, just chop it up. I like these little gourmet tomatoes. I think they are so good and so tasty. So I'm just going to chop a few of those up. Just kind of slice them into little quarters like this. You want to use a serrated knife, like a bread knife for that. Looks about right. Put these in my bowl. Tomato, onion, and jalapeno, that's ready to go. Mush up some avocados, so let's go ahead and give that a... 2 pretty good sized avocados should do it. Scoop that out of there, or squeeze it out. Whatever's easiest. Take a fork and just mush it up. We're gonna put a little bit of seasoning in here, and you can just use whatever you'd like. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of this, which is the butcher, which is a little bit of kosher salt, cracked black pepper, and some garlic. So I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of that, about a teaspoon, and set it aside. If you wanna put some lemon juice or some lime juice in there, that's fine too. I'm just going to use it just like that. So we're going to take a can of Star-Kissed tuna, chicken of the sea, and open it up and drain it. I'm going to put our tuna into our mixture here. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 cans because I have a lot of stuff in here. So let's do 2 cans. If you're not a big tuna fan, then you can use chicken. I love tuna. I think it's delicious. Duke's mayo, just a pretty good dollop there. Maybe half a cup. You don't want this too creamy because you already have your avocado that's pretty creamy. But after you make your little tostados, if you decide you want to make some tuna sandwiches with this, then you can add a little more. Looks just about right. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Maybe a little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper. I'm gonna add some Kinder's tequila lime. Doesn't that sound good? This is pretty equivalent to Tajin. It's really good. So I'm gonna give that, let's do a good teaspoon and a half or so. All right, now get this mixed up. Let's clean up. One of my favorite hacks is that I lay out some aluminum foil and I put all my trash in that and then just wrap it up and throw it into the trash. Your trash doesn't stink up. I like to do that. Doesn't that look good? Oh, so good. Now, if you don't like tuna and this does not appeal to you at all, scroll. Oh, I'm a little shiny. Let's assemble these tostadas. Olé! You can make your own if you want, or you can buy them just like this, already made. Just let's take a little bit of our avocado, mash it down on here. A little bit of tuna right on top. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh, let me go get something for decoration. I have some of these dried chives. These will look pretty on top. Or some parsley or cilantro. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? That's good. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. I think you're gonna like it. Remember, if you don't like tuna, use chicken. This is really good. Home run. That really is good. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot toot. You guys have a fantastic day, and remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.